Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we will be looking at the deliveries feature, and specifically for this particular episode, we will be looking at delivery alerts on Keepsales. Now if you are a business that is actively involved in delivery, Keepsales allows you to schedule your deliveries and manage them all in one place. So let's get to it. Okay, so we are looking at the delivery alert feature. So on the nav bar, you notice alerts. Okay, here you move your mouse there and then you click on the scheduled deliveries alerts as you see over here. All right, so it opens, okay, this delivery alerts page for you. So at a glance, you are able to see all the deliveries, okay, that are pending and have not been delivered yet. So you see the delivery ID, the items to be delivered, the total amount, okay, for the items that are to be delivered. Are there any associated notes, okay, delivery to, the notes associated with that particular delivery, okay, who is being delivered to, where it is going, and all that. Okay, and then you are over here, okay, you can click, okay, to view more details, okay, about that particular delivery, or you can update it. So if you click on update, okay, and it's either been delivered or it's been returned or it's been cancelled, you can select either of them. So let's just say this one has been cancelled. It tells you that it's been and then re-added to your inventory, so it moves back to your inventory. Okay, if you want to view, okay, the details, you can view the details as well over here. Okay, there's a delivery calendar. Okay, there's a video on the delivery calendar, so go check it out. You can click here to view the delivery calendar as well. Okay, so this is all for the delivery alerts page. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There are more of such amazing videos available on our YouTube platform, so do well to check them out, like it, share, and I'll see you again in our next video. Do have a wonderful time, and bye bye.